Hello students. So let us do the last part of the set theory, that is practical problems on union and intersection of two sets and three sets. Children, till now we have done the concept of the sets, the types of the sets, how to find the complement of the set, how to do the union and the intersection of the sets, how to find the difference of the two sets, what is De Morgan's law, and it's proved by algebraic and hence Venn diagram method. Now children, the last section of the set theory deals with the practical problem on the union and the intersection of two sets and also three sets. So let us start. The first formula is n of A union B. Here n stands for number, that is number of elements in the union of the two sets A and B is equals to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. So let us first prove it. Let us suppose over here that these are the two sets A and B. This one is the universal set. So obviously over here this portion is A minus B, this portion is A intersection B, and this portion is B minus of A. So if we have to find the number of elements in A union B, we will add the number of elements in A minus B, the number of elements in A intersection B, and the number of elements in B minus of A. So we can write n of A union B equals to n of A minus of B plus of n of A intersection B plus of n of B minus of A. I think this line is clear to all. Now children, this I can write as n of A minus B plus n of A intersection B plus n of B minus of A plus of n of A intersection B, and over here I am adding it, so I will write subtraction also, n of A intersection B. So what change I have done? The same equation I have copied over here with plus of n of A intersection B and minus of A intersection n of A intersection B. Now if I give bracket over here and here, you can see children, n of A minus B plus of n of A intersection B is whole NA. Similarly, n of B minus of A plus of n of A intersection B will be whole NB. So this expression reduces to NA plus of NB minus of n of A intersection B, and this is only RHS and hence proved. You can write over here LHS. So children, again I am explaining. N of A union B equals to NA plus NB minus of n of A intersection B. We will start with n of A union B, that is LHS. Now n of A union B is equals to n of A minus B plus of n of A intersection B plus of n of B minus of A. This expression. Now we will add and subtract n of A intersection B. So this equation reduces to n of A minus B plus of n of A intersection B plus of n of B minus of A plus of n of A intersection B minus of n of A intersection B. We will make brackets over here. This term is reduced to NA and this term is NB minus of n of A intersection B. So we get the formula n of A union B is equals to NA plus of NB minus of n of A intersection B. Now over here children, if A and B are disjoint sets, then obviously A intersection B is phi, that is empty set. Then in that case we will be writing NOTE, note if A and B are disjoint sets, then A intersection B equals to phi. Then n of A union B equals to Na plus of NB. I think it's quite clear. Now let us prove this formula for 3 sets. Now let us move to the formula for n of A in union B union C. Now n of A union B union C is equals to Na plus of NB plus of NC minus of n of A intersection B minus of n of B intersection C minus of n of C intersection A plus of n of A intersection B intersection C. Let us move to the proof. We will be proving this with the help of the first concept which we did for n of A union B. So let us start, children. Proof. LHS equals to n of A union B union C. Now this we can write as n of A union B and union C. You can write over here n of A union B union C, keep in one bracket. Now let us suppose A union B as one set and the second set as C. So we can apply the formula for the first formula for the two sets, that is n of A union B formula. So this I can write as n of A union B first set plus n of C second set, Na plus Nb minus of n of A intersection B. Now over here A union B is the first set, intersection C is the second set. So we have utilized the first formula. Now this we will be expanding now. N of A union B, the first formula, according to the first formula, Na plus of Nb minus of n of A intersection B, and over here plus of Nc. Now this bracket, n of, we will use this distributive property. So this will be equals to n of A intersection C union of B intersection C. Again we will utilize the formula, the first formula for these two sets, that is A intersection C and B intersection C. So this we can now write as Na plus of Nb minus of n of A intersection B plus of Nc minus. Now we will be writing over here n of A intersection C plus of n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C and intersection B intersection C. Now this step I will explain. This copied, this one copied, this one and this one copied. Now over here suppose this as first set and this one is second set. So n of first set plus n of second set minus n of first set intersection second set. Now I think it is clear. So this we can write as Na plus of Nb plus of Nc minus n of A intersection B. This bracket opened over here. So minus of n of A intersection C minus of n of B intersection C, and this minus minus will be plus, and this A intersection C intersection B intersection C will be equals to n of A intersection B intersection C. So we got our formula. Now since I have written in this format, I will be rewriting in that format only. So I am writing Na plus of Nb plus of Nc minus of n of A intersection B minus of n of B intersection C minus of n of C intersection A plus of n of A intersection B intersection C, and hence this one equals to RHS and hence proved. So now children, you are knowing the formula for the number of the elements in A union B as well as A union B union C. Let us proceed to the next.